Oh well, I end up with pile of tissues, pile of papers and trials, errors, mistakes. I failed, it didn't work. And yeah, how about you? Did you ever try jelly printing and it just was a total disaster? Hello everyone, back to my studio, and I have a jelly plate on my desk. Welcome everyone, it's Marta here. Let's do some jelly printing for tonight. You have been asking me, but I lost my plate, found it by accident today, so I said I have to record something and try it and test it. I've been playing for like 5 minutes, disaster. Let's face it, it was disaster. Let me just quickly show you my disasters. Yeah, this is it. So instead of not showing you my disasters, because I didn't play record button, I didn't press it, I said I'm gonna actually play and show you the disasters. If it's not gonna work, fine. But I found this gorgeous technique of printing with the magazine, like it prints something. I just really wish to try it. So I have some magazine here, magazine pages. I don't have beautiful big faces that would be probably, oops, handy to use. Oh no. I have this. My jelly plate is sticky. I don't know why, you see, but I have this and I hope this will work. So for the technique that we will be following, it's not my technique. I've seen it on Instagram and on YouTube as well. We need to use some dark paint, preferably black, so that's what I'm gonna do. And the disaster that I mentioned to you before was, I think, probably because I haven't really used my paint. I just didn't work fast enough. I'm guessing, again, I could be wrong, but this should be still wet, and this let's quickly put it on. And we have to then, don't press it too hard or too, I don't know, no, don't listen to me, because I pressed too much and I waited too long. Let's see if this will work. Okay, that doesn't look good to me at all, but let's see. And I think we should wait. Okay, let's try it again. It didn't work, I think, at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some paint yet again. And hopefully this time we will have something. Okay, I have one more image, which is actually not a pure face, but it's like a printed face. So let's hope that this time this will work. As I said, I don't know. Should I wait long? Should I wait short? Should I do what? I don't know, but I'm determined to try it, and I really wish I think this will work. And I'm gonna just take this off now. Oh yes, it will work, I think. Yeah, but I don't know why is my paper magazine sticking to the plate itself. Am I doing something wrong? Obviously, but I don't know if I'm waiting for too long, which is possible. Now I should probably clean my brayer. And my brayer makes those strange noises as well. I feel it's a disaster, but you know what? Let it be. Now, as far as I know, this should be dry, completely dry. So I'm gonna wait maybe 2 minutes and come back to you. I'm helping with fanning with a plastic box. Hopefully this will help. Yeah, it looks kind of dry to me. So now, when this is all dry, we can add a color. I'm gonna add some lovely turquoise, and hopefully this will lift, because that's the idea. Doesn't work. What about this one? Because this should lift the image underneath it. But as I said, I don't know what am I doing wrong. Maybe I just need to practice a bit more. Possibly. I don't think this should be too thick layer, too thick. I think it should be pretty thin. So I am gonna take off a bit of excess, and hopefully this will work now. Let's wait and see. I don't know, should I press like hard or... Okay. Oops. Not much is happening. Okay. That is a disaster. Okay, let's try it again. Now, since we're here, I may as well just have that disaster completely. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the black once more and use the black layer. Why is this making the noise? Now, I have one more image, I think, and that will be it for image transfer. I don't have many more images, and I have image like that. So let's see if this girl will work with us. Is it enough? Maybe I need to press more. No, am I using wrong paint? What is going on here? No. I have no idea. What am I doing wrong? Okay, oh, you could see the face there, but after a few trials and total disasters of actually trying to do image transfer, let's just play and see if I can do some multi-layers maybe instead, because I really have no idea what am I doing wrong, why things are not working. So my next step is to basically try to enjoy this, maybe without the magazine, maybe just simple, I don't know, maybe just simple, simple, what's the word, simple kind of art will be good enough to try, because I have no idea why things are not working. So I'm gonna basically try to lift some paints now from in between the paper doilies, hopefully with a few layers of color and some nice image. But I am doing it for the first time. I'm not even sure if I'm doing it correctly. Yeah. Why is this happening? Anyone will be able to tell me? Why is this happening constantly with my... Okay, I'm gonna take those away. Take those away. Am I waiting too long? Am I pressing too hard? Like, what is it? I feel I'm not gonna upload this video because this is a total disaster. Is it? I mean, I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's add some other color now, because this didn't really work, so maybe I add some... Oops. Great. Let's try it again. And maybe let's not... I think this should be wet, maybe, instead of... Let's see. once more, if this will be anything good. Am I? Oh yeah, okay, so maybe I was like too slow basically. Was I too slow? I agree, maybe I was too slow. Now that I'm thinking. Okay. Wow. Okay, so I was too slow, guys. You have to work faster. Yeah? And I cannot believe it. This is pretty, isn't it? I think it's pretty. I'm not too sure what kind of I'm gonna do like this, and hopefully I will take some part of that in here. Oh, that's lovely now. Okay, so I leave this. This will be my kind of my main thing. Let's grab some other color and let's do it again and see if I'm better this time. It cannot be that bad with me, or cannot, or can it be that bad? Okay, so I'm gonna do the lilac color now just to see if I can. Okay, maybe I'm concentrating too much on trying to roll the roller. Maybe I shouldn't be rolling the roller as such. Okay, let's put this. You can use probably stencils if you have. I have as well. I don't know why I'm going for doilies, but anyway. So I'm gonna clean off that again, same way as I did, but I'm gonna be faster this time. Once, two, and done. Okay, so that works apparently. Oops, it took off my stencil, which I didn't want to happen yet. Am I the worst jelly printer ever? I think so. I feel like a total loser now with it. And you were asking me for a tutorial. Well, that's the opposite from a tutorial for a definite. I'm not even gonna take off that color because it's just disaster. So let's do it some other color. Oh. I love that mix now. Maybe I just should concentrate on having gorgeous mixes, nothing else, rather than thinking of making a beautiful piece. Okay. Oh, I lifted some paper as well. That's cool. That's cool. How about if let's see if I have some stencil here. I should be probably faster, is it? I'd say so. I have some stencil and one more. Let me quickly grab it. Now, like this. Excuse me. Okay, I think I should sign up for some jelly printing online classes because I'm a disaster. Anyone having same issue? Anyone having same problem? And you know what? Even now, I'm more determined than ever to actually try and perfect it. Well, maybe perfect it is a bad word, but certainly trying to find out what am I doing wrong and why things are like that. Now, one thing is I'm gonna do something with my table because I don't want to keep on cleaning every time because eventually after a few trials my table is gonna be a disaster when it comes to being painted around. So that's one thing I've learned. Plate is very messy, but challenging. It is extremely challenging, and I'm surprised how but I am. Well, am I surprised? Probably I shouldn't be. But if I was thinking it's easy, it's not, obviously. I played with it a couple years ago, but it didn't give me this much trouble as this time. So I don't know what's going on. I feel that we need to definitely get back to it at some point. But at least, you know what? At least you see that you're not alone. If things are not working, it's fine. Just keep on doing it. Don't give up. That's my plan. I won't give up. I'm gonna be watching some specialists on it and see what am I doing wrong. Maybe my paints are wrong. Maybe my brayer is not good. Maybe the pressure is wrong. Maybe I am putting maybe I'm doing it too long and I'm like pressing for too long so my paper sticks in. I don't know. You have my disaster there recorded. Anyone feel like sharing some kind of magical tips for me? I would love that. Anyone feeling similar and being really having, you know, troubles, and how is your journey with jelly plates, jelly printing? I would love to hear that from you, because this is sad disaster. But hey, we're gonna master it, guys, together, learn it together. That's our goal. How about that? So I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm not even sure if I should upload this video, literally, because this is the pile of my disasters. Let me show you them quickly. This is the pile. Now this is also pile of tissues that I've used to clean my plate. Look, this is it. No, this is not it yet. Let me grab one more, and another one, and another one. Yeah, there's more, guys. There's more. There's way more, and I can feel my frustration, and I wonder if your frustration is similar, or have you been in this place like that? Yeah, I think I'm gonna share this video, and yeah, just so don't feel alone if you feel like sometimes you're making disasters. We all do at some point. So thank you so much. I'm sorry I've no project for you today, for the first time probably. You're not alone, so yeah, don't worry about mistakes. Just keep going, keep practicing, keep trying. And the tons of tissues, maybe you can dry them, make flowers from those tissues. Maybe that's what I should do. Yes, I don't know what to say. I hope you're not mad at me now that there's no project. I hope you can just simply understand that I really wanted to share something awesome with you, and I failed. So anyway, I'll talk to you very soon, hopefully after practice of jelly printing and finding out what's going on. Your advice more than welcome in the comment section down below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!